Okay guys, welcome to the most boring case you will ever see on my channel. Oh no, that is unfair. But it's a little bit of a different structure. It's not advanced Excel, it's just a lot of questions. So yeah, basically you do it one by one and they're a simple formula. So here, how many reviews on the dataset? Max. Highest rating given to any right, rounded to the nearest answer, round max. And waste rating. So no. I do not do my issues or errors 2 times. Let's make names out of it. Lowest wait time, min of wait time, total ticket revenue across some ticket price, how many reviews are there for roller coaster rows, filter, category equals roller coaster. What is the total wait time for all water ride reviews? Some wait time, category, or some filter wait time category equals water ride. Average reviewer age across all entries, rounded to the nearest integer. Round average reviewer age. Average wait time for rides at Thrillville equals average if s wait time park Thrillville. Here we go, and I have to round. Yes, I know. Round. Difference between oldest and youngest. Range of age. How many unique ride names? Rows. Unique ride name. Average wait time for high thrill levels ride in Germany. Around average if s wait time thrill level high country Germany. And as you see, we will do this for at least 1 hour. So it is like easy formula stuff. Which park has the most extreme thrill level stuff? Park name, thrill level, count a thrill level equals extreme. Wonderland. Return the park name with the longest ride duration. Max lookup. Where's the ride duration? Duration. Returning the park name. No. Park. What is the combined total wait time for the top 5 longest wait time? Some large some large wait timer, sorry, not wait, like, and then sequence 5. Average ticket price for rides that are not roller coasters. Average filters. Average filter ticket price and category unequal to roller coaster. rounded to the nearest integer. Yes, of course. Longest consecutive streaks of yes. Equals streak. I don't know if it's then. That's the issue. Okay. Max, and then we can figure out if it's so max if s. Yes. 7? Really? I'm not aware. Yes, that's right. Okay. Reviewer's age of the entry with the third lowest rating. Sort by age, reviewer age, rating, ascending, and then choose rows 3. Which park, which ride, and from which park has the highest ticket price per to rating ratio? So ticket price divided by rating ratio. Max lookup ratio in ride name and park. For each show level, what is the highest wait time? Some of the highest wait times. Group by show level values is wait time max, and the total is not given. No, but no. Some of ticket prices for reviews in the spring months for Wonder World and Kingdom. Filter ticket price month, visit month equals mar multiplied with, not multiplied, no, plus May multiplied with park equals Wonder World, and now again plus park equals Sun Kingdom. Okay, interesting. Okay. Yeah, let's do it with formula. Difficulty level of the case biathlon. Why is it? Here we go. Create from selection. First do the bonuses. So here, this is the concatenated answers, and then split it and code used and some of the values. So basically concat split text into letters array, and then some code. To get like the fast points. And it's related to the first 5 levels. Okay. Difficulty of biathlon, xlookup, biathlon in case name returning difficulty. order it. Which case Orsaros were these? Diving Nick Boberg. Sorry, I know this from basically another lookup. Which case has the longest name? Max lookup len name, case name, returning case name. XLDL, how many cases are labeled easy? Count if s, difficulty easy. Are there my cases? Some of my cases too? I don't know. Julian PVLT. No. Oh. Yeah, okay. They are not all cases. Local chapters, for example, not. How many cases contain map in the category labels? Count if s, categories included, map. I don't think this will work that way, or it will work. Yes. So here white cards. How many cases category adaptation? What is adaptation? Here we go. Have names containing numbers. Equals extract each number from a string name, case name. Okay, first extract each number from a string, case name. I hope it can spell. Is number sum minus 3. Yes, I can also copy this. 3. No. Wrong. Still 3. Really? No, there have to be more. Oh, basic. Why is it? It's not always working. Interesting. Yes. Here we go. I have the issue. It's returning an array. So, no. Let's do it that way. Let's do it singular. Sum minus mass is number. 9 cases. The good thing is I copied every answer in there separately, so I would have known if there are any issues. How many cases belong to the Road to Las Vegas competition? Yeah. Rows, filter, case name. What is this category? Competition. So left competition 4 equals our Road to Las Vegas. How many cases were authored or co-authored by Andrew G? So we have to search for Andrew G there. So sum minus mass is number search for Andrew G in authors. How many unique authors are there? So text join. Authors, and then unique text split and rows. How many authors has contributed to only one case? Not cool. Search. Sum minus is number. Equals count if s 1. 13. How many unique categories are there in the dataset? Okay, categories. Rows, unique, text split, text join. Delimiter is comma with space. I don't need this. I can use categories. Which competition has cases to cover the most categories? If two competitions have the same number of categories covered, choose based on alphabetical order. So what is then competition? Is competition without here? So only the text? Yeah. Let's assume this. I don't know. Basically, this is competition, but I'm unsure. So let's lose this here. Okay, equals unique, because I will not use group by for this. These are the competitions, and then text join. Filter categories included if competition equals this, and then unique text split and rows, and this should then be track downable. Choose based on alphabetical order. Great. Okay, done. Which difficulty appears most frequently? Most of value in area, single result, difficulty maximum. Third most frequent category across all cases. CMV. Group by basically. Map 49. Which competition has the most easy cases? Group by competition. Values is difficulty. Function is count A. Difficulty equals easy. 444. M is in front, so this. Now, in which competition very hard cases? So basically, I could have used also pivot by, but this might be easier. So here we go. Which author has the second highest number of easy cases? Filter, case name, doesn't matter. If this author is included and difficulty equals very easy. None of them? Really? This can. Easy, not very easy, sorry. Okay. Shouldn't be an issue. I know that Rose is also writing for the calc, but since we are searching for the second highest, it should not be an issue. Second highest, oh, not third highest. Peter Schall, interesting. How many adoption and data at the same time cases are there? Ooh, gosh. Adoption data. Is multiplied with this. 0? Really? No. Maybe this merge stuff. No, it's not working. Why is it not working? Because I have not read it properly. How many original and map? I know it's messy, but original map and again original map, this multiplied with this, 25. Okay, and the same for this here. Would have been eliminated by now, mostly. Oh, maybe. Okay. The next one is cool. How many cells have something in there? So here we have the map. We name it map. And then count a map. How many crash cells can be found? I have a macro for this. I will use, time. Count colors. And crash cells are here. How many cyclists can be found? Count if as map. $41. How many city blocks can be found? I really think I did this manually. So I will again do this manually. So here you see the count going up, and here. It's fine. You really only have to type in somewhere where something is. And yes, it would not have been the best approach to start with level 3, but I will do it in sequential order since I'm not eliminated. Hopefully. 60. How many cells does the largest block have? And you can basically see this, that this is the largest block, 105. Overall area of all city blocks combined. Oh my gosh. That's not fun. The issue is maybe it would be more efficient to delete all the yeah, it will be. So here we have a copy, and then we can get rid of everything. So we get rid of trucks. We get rid of red chain cars. We get rid of regular cars. We get rid of cyclists. And this is this formatting? Yeah, it's formatting. So basically then 1482, 1482. Yes. How many regular cars can you count if you look at only every third row? So choose calls, map, yeah, and mod, and then filter, yeah, type faster. Filter mod 3 equals 0. Why is this an issue? Choose rows, Julian. Sure. Are you sure? So here. Oh. No, this one. Okay, then plus -1 +1. No, I'm an idiot. Of course, then have to use the real roads. And then count if s 102. How many factories can you count looking at every fourth column? Number from server friends. If column number from server friends mod 4 equals 0, yes. What's the issue? Here we go. So, okay. So first choose rows. Choose calls. And then filter column number one if column one number, mod sting, mod -1, 4 + 1. Oh no. So here, this has to go here, which is already there. And then we need here mod. And here we don't need this. Equals 0. Okay, yeah, right. And then equals count if s factory 16. No. What is wrong? That's wrong. How many road cells can be found? I've counted this here already. So here we go. How many residential houses can be counted looking at the cells located at the diagonal? So make array 71, 71, lambda a equals b. So if this, then map, otherwise x. To call 3 and count the residential houses. Here we go, count if s irregular cars can be counted. Looking at the cells located. Okay, this diagonal is then shifted. Not an issue. Simply it's upside down. Here we go. E26. It's this is like an Excel BI case stuff. I've not done this in a long time, you know. So row should be A equals. Wow, how is this? I've not done this in a long time, this diagonal stuff. So from 46 going up. So we're starting somewhere here and we're then going up. So column increasing is row number decreasing, starting from 47 minus A. 47 minus A equals B, might be, and then what is counted? Cars. Cars. 9. Hopefully it's right. Yes. How many grass cells have road cells adjacent to them? Oh, there's a lot of questions. So really, starting with level 3 was dumb. Okay, it's also labeled hard. I'm an idiot. Road cells have grass. Okay, not that many. Let's do this manually. All 8 directions. So also the corners. I could also do this in a more efficient way or more Excel-like way, but yeah, I think this is faster than replacing some stuff and taking the distance to some other stuff. And then 1 always there, and the sum is 154. 154, yes. How many regular cars have grass cells adjacent to them? Okay. That's not funny. I should really not have started. Hopefully it will not crash. I should really not have started with this here. Okay, save. Okay, count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay. Oh no. Cool. Let's count again. 1. That's a regular car. Yeah, it is. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Here we go. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Yeah. We're in the front city map. Can you find a 3.3 cell square that matches the following contents? Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, there are no cars, so I can work with this map here or this here. It might break everything because the combination is a lot. Rows are sequence is, it's not 71, it's 66 for column. Sequence 71 equals sequence 664. Was it 64? Anyways, index map workbook returning row plus sequence 3 starting from 0 and column plus sequence 3 starting from 0. Yeah, no too much brackets. Okay, then check this map here. Here we go. Okay, and what should be the content? It was really dumb, Julian, to start with this, but we have to do everything for the solve of this. So that's not worth 7 points really. But It's my fault. I should have looked what is hard. Sum minus minus. So sum bracket minus minus bracket close bracket close bracket. NA. Oh, why is this wrong? Why is this 4? Ah, because of this. Okay. If it's 9, then make it red. Great, there's nothing that is 9. But honestly, it should be. There should be something. 71, 66. Maybe there's something at the side, but this cannot be. Because then we're also at borders. So this is. And what is the maximum here? 9. The maximum is 9. Why are you not showing this? Ah, here we go. Column 47, row 30. Row 30. BCD AW32. What? Do you want to kidding me? 47 for the row. Oh, for the row it's 47. The column 30. AD47, AD47, AF49. Here we go. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, I have to do a break short. I'm back and I'm not motivated, but let's do this. I committed to this. And there is no other hard level. No wonder I was the only one starting with that one. A3 to AC36. This is our free one. Yes, to all. A3. On your right side, right? Yeah. And where do I have to go? In AC64 already. AC65. Here we go. 103. Yeah, it's right. Okay. In a way, it was not that intimidating. How many residential houses? Okay, you are in C27 BL27. C27 here. And filter residential houses on both streets. Okay, both streets. So equals filter this if this equals 1. And then here this, and then count if S residential hours 26, 17, 43. You're in cell S60, driving to S3. Oh. This is getting annoying, right? Same for me, guys. S60, and you're trying to S3. S60 is here. S3 is here. How many palm trees? Equals filter. Okay, let's do it that way. If this equals 1. Okay, I could have also used the whole area. Count if S palm tree 16. Oh, it's getting slow. How many residential houses are located next to a lake or pool? Oh gosh. This we cannot do manually. But we can do the following. Equals address lookup value. Okay, I want proper normal formatting, right, guys? All appearances. Alignment 0. And then based on how is it called? Area based on indirect cell reference, range in cells 1. So here we go, and then this will not work. So to call filter sequence 9 if this equals residential hours. Yeah. And then sum of minus of this larger than 0. The question is, what is if there is a house that is double counted? But let's see if this will be all right first. No. Okay. I thought my attempt was valid, but let's see. So we're looking up for pools. But here, is there anywhere? So here, this house, are they unique houses? Are they not unique houses? What the shit? But I think they are unique. So maybe I have to do this the other way around and look up for residential houses and pools in the area. And then search if there are pools in the adjacent area. So yeah, let's do it that way. And then is number equals sum minus is number. 207. Okay, so unique houses. Might make sense, but yeah. Regular cars within 2 cells of a park, 2 cells all directions. Basically the same. So car, address look up. All cars, and then and we have here trees and 2. Regular 2. Yes, value is fine. No, it's not fine. Great. Yes, of course. Then it's 5 times 5, 25. Or is it not? Oh, it is. Sum minus is number. 240, really? No. Within 2 cells of a trio park. Regular cars. I have too many maps here. Here we go. So these are the positions of regular cars, which is alright. And then the issue is that this here is returning an error because I have border correction. Okay. Then I will need to do something else. X let A count A no, or it will work. It will work. Count A to call A. Still a value error. Oh gosh. Okay. This is returning an area. In this case, starting from C1, which is here around it. And then sum minus filter, count A. Okay. Which is 15. Sequence 15. Gosh. Sorry, guys. Yeah, and then some. Or let's copy this here and adjust. 261, 261. Right. Last one. Oh, guys. I think now I'm eliminated. How many ride requests are located within 3 cells of a ride-sharing car? It's basically the same. It's not fun. It's not fun. So address lookup of ride requests, and then check with this formula here if there is within 3 cells a ride sharing car. Oh yes, there's at least for the first one. And then sum minus minus is number 70. And yeah, bonus. Oh gosh. Okay, level 4. So first I want to get or hide a lot of stuff. Create from selection product table. Okay. How many orders? Max order ID. Sum of all order IDs. Sum order ID. How many orders contain exactly 3 products? Len of order. How is it called? Content. I mean minus len substitute content product IDs, the comma against nothing, and then some minus minus where this equals 3, because then there are at least 4, or then there are 4 products. Consider the orders that contain exactly 4 products. So filter product ID if this is given, and then sum cool, not cool. Why? This should be false, false, false. Oh, all false? Nah, this can't be. Okay. Number of products. Do I want to add this? Oh, normally not. NOP. Len minus len substitute plus 1. Filter, so some filter order ID if NOP equals 4. Here we go. Placed on a workday. Filter or rows filter order date if weekday order date 2 smaller than 6. Which product has the longest name? Max lookup len of product name returning product name. How much would it cost to purchase all products with even product ID numbers? Round to the nearest integer. Round filter, some filter, cost or price, how's it called? Ticket price, unit price in euro. No idea. Where is even this bill? I'm not sure. Which product appears most frequently overall in the order table? Text join. Text split. And then minus to do then a lookup. Group by of this. So let's just group by count A -2. And it's product 23. Which date has the highest number of orders? Okay. So group by date, order date, highest number, I think. So count A, and it was equals day 16 number, highest number, yeah. What is the total revenue across all orders? Okay. Price order. Okay, returning the price. Some or around some. Order ID has the total value max. Look up for here. Returning the ID. Which product generates the second highest total revenue? Oh gosh. Do I have a count somewhere? Yes. XLOOKUP. And yes, I know, not ideal. And then I can multiply the number with the product. Large lookup. Here return array is then the product. Oh no, the product number. And I want to search for the second product number 27, which is beef soup. How many unique products were not ordered on May 1st? Unique products. Okay. Filter product IDs if date 2025 5/1 equals order date. Text join. Text split. Minus. List not in list. List not in list array. Large list. How many orders have only distinct products in them? Okay. No duplicates. Rows of S equals rows of unique of S. Yes, false. Sum minus minus 231. How many products have chicken in their name? Rows filter name if is number search chicken is chicken search is not case sensitive as far as I know. Yes, 5. Total revenue from chicken-based products. Is number search chicken. Sometimes I should have worked more in detail. Total revenue. Okay. Filter product idea. If this is true, so these are our chicken products. These are all orders, and let's split them. Text split. Minus minus x match in here, and then index and use directly the price. Oh no, and then index of the price in euro. Yeah. Another index, sorry. And sum to call 3. Rounded, I think. Yeah. So here we go. How many orders contain at least one chicken-based product? You with your chicken. Text split. Here are my chickens. No chicken, and then count if s. $225. Which state has the highest total revenue? Okay. Group by and then with the day stuff, answering stuff. Day 15. Oh, it's number 4, and I am in for 1 hour 10. Highest number of total products sold. Is DTD in English? What is DTD? Is this number of products? Here we go. Group by day, order, date, sum -2, and then text Thursday. Yes. Okay. Cumulative revenue, which date? First 50% exceeded. Ref scan 0 sum 50% of total x match x lookup divided by 2 returning order date exact match or next larger 16. Okay. 3 levels to go. Why is this medium and gives more points than the hard? Naja, anyways. I hate cards. Characters. What is the definition of a character? It's it's 3. I don't know. Extract by type. Letters. No, it's not. What's the definition of a character? What is the definition, guys? Can you please answer this? Or is it simply lang? Is it lang? Oh, okay, everything counts as character. Yeah, okay, makes sense. Last card is this. Okay, I need to split this somehow. How do I split this? They're different lengths, so because of the 10, which is bad. Substitute the 10 against an x. And then text split by n characters. No, what is going on? Sorry, that's the issue with such wrong cases. Text split by n. Every second for 2 characters. Great. Index 5. Index 67. Index. What got in there? sequence. Filter. If this is larger than 8 and smaller than 86. And then left, sorry, should be an X. And then some minus minus. So 8/10. Convert each character of the first 5 to Unicode. What is the sum? So code of this and then each character. So text split. No, split text into letters array. Take. Oh no, left 10 to column. Oh no, to lower. Anyways, some code 607. Wait, what? Oh yeah, sorry. You need the Unicode value, not the code value. Here we go. Last 10 cards. Last 10 or last 5? Last 5. Okay. Right. How many cards must be picked to get the first king? King is K. And K is, what is this? This is 40. No, ace. It's an ace. So scan. X match for 66. How many red cards? Filter. And then right. And red is either hard or this other stuff. Take the first cards. Some of the first 30 cards. Now points values. Left. Sorry, I mix this up often. And then let's make a table. J 2k x for 10 1 will this be tracked? Oh yeah, 9 and ace 1 10 10 10 10 1 2. And then it's some x lookup in here. Yeah. They're returning this. Take SP 52. Hello. Oh. SP. Is this now overwritten? No. Here we go. 52 cards. Suit is right 1. CMV. Count most of value in area single result. Max count 17. How many unique cards are the remaining deck? So drop SP hashtag 78 unique icon, and then columns. Hold on. I don't have enough space for you. No. This is so boring. This is really annoying, guys. It's an annoying case. It's a really annoying case. First, a second time. Count if. And yes, I could have also used count if s. X lookup 2 in here, returning this, and it's this card here. No bonus copy, guys. I really have to override the shortcut. First 52. How many cards have duplicates in the list? Take the first 52 columns, and then count if S2 18. Okay, so suit. So equals right. Oh no, I need the full SP hashtag. So right sp hashtag 1, and then count, oh no, scan, sure. If this equals this, then +1, otherwise 1. Maximum is 4. X lookup for in. Here returning 4 and this. Longest run of the same what? Okay, so basically it's left. Q and 3. 3 minus Q. If you split the deck into chunks of 13 cards, what is the maximum sum of value chunks? Rep rows sp hashtag 13, and then right or left 1 x lookup in our table, yes, returning the points, and then by row sum, and the maximum is 104. At which n card do we have the first completed set? Substitute, yeah. Substitute 10 against x. And then, yeah, let's do this on a new sheet. Text split by n to 2. And then sp hashtag. Initialization. Plus no, yeah. And then there should be no 0. What is the question? At which nth card? X match 0, 134. And 2 levels to go still. Oh, guys, I don't know how they kept motivated during the live attempt. How many error cells are actual errors instead of text error? Okay. Sum minus minus is error. How many in A? First, I name this sheet sh. How many cells with numbers is number? It's with formulas. Is formula. Average value. And average A. Oh no, average SH. Interesting. Average to call SH3 round. Find the longest text string. How long len of SH. And then max. Might be with errors. Yeah. And if error 0. How many unique text cells are in the data? Is it text? Or is everything text? I'm not sure about this. Okay, number and then hashtag is not a text. Okay. So equals sum minus minus is text sh. Unique. Oh, unique. How many unique number cells are in the data? Is number. How many cells in column Q contain the text delta? Count fs. How many cells on all odd rows contain the text cherry? Filter if is odd and then equals cherry. Here we go. Cherry and then by row or and some minus. Num. Great. If error 10 0. 10? No. Interesting. Oh, how many cells, not how many rows in those cells. So basically I don't need this here. Yeah. And now the same for is even and apple. But therefore we have references. Why is this not working? interesting. Let's take it from there. No translator. Okay. Anyways, column C contain the text alpha. Count first column C alpha. How many cells in the entire grid contain the word error? Yes, of course, count fs and erase. Take the left character from this. Number 7. And then concat left. Most NA errors. This will spill. And then column. By call sum. And then max. So, do they want a column number? Don't know. So please specify. They want a column number. Oh no. Is it a column number? Unspecified. The maximum is 4. And 4 is H. Anyways, and H is the column. Okay, so column letter. How many letters A or A can be found in row 14? Ignore errors. So concat. Concat to call row 14. And then text in text. The text is A. And case sensitivity off. The other way around. Yes. Word below it. Okay. All appearances. Really? Yeah, might be. Okay, let's test this. Address lookup for error. If error sh0, all appearances. No, it has not worked. Question is why. Okay, we have flat, we have this flat, and then filter this if this equals true. Right below it is cell ref based on reference array and movement, column 0, 1, 1. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, this will turn out. 8. How many times does a cell with the word formula have an actual formula right below it? Is formula. Oh no. Oh, this is because it will not return the actual value. So okay, to call is formula sh, and then we do an x lookup for this in here, returning this sum minus 6. No, why not? Right below it. Right below. Should be right. So formula. There's written formula. These are the cells where this formula written. This is one cell right below it. And this is then if error 0, 7. Okay, yeah. How many sum functions are in the data? F sum. $33. No, it's not right. The question is, yeah, I have to search only in here. And then there 32, because at the side I have some functions. Also not, right? How? Okay, because below there are also some functions. Great. 2, really? Only one unique text in the data. What can you find in that cell? To call is text sh. Filter, not filter the address where this is right. These are 400 addresses, and then easy indirect, and then unique. Trophy bell. Small hint. Small hit. Oh gosh. Okay, I will do this later. Okay, now the last level. Mixed around with data, one with locations. R for row number, R for column number. Okay. And RC. And then the rearranged one is, so here we have 101 times 13, sequence 101. Okay, at the row, sequence 13. Xlookup to call, Xlookup R and this and C and this in to call here we go. Choose from selection. Okay. Total mass load for satellite missions. United States. Okay. Some FS. Payload. How is it called? Country in United States. Satellite missions. That's the question. Is there mission type? Here, mission type satellite. Mission type satellite. 2 L's. How many missions have a risk level larger than 8, larger equal than 8 and then 0? What is the destination of the mission named Orion B? Mission name. No. Orion B. Mission name. Returning destination. Mars. Average duration of moon missions rounded to the nearest whole number. Round average filter duration in days if destination equals moon. Um, 10 days after mission Perseverance X. What was the launch? Our launch date. Here and then F. Oh, that's the question. Is it then not searching? Huh, interesting. No, it's not searching. So 25, 25. What was it? 1985. Okay. So let's just EV. How many space characters can be found across all mission names? Search text. Count letter in text, and the letter is space. 84. How many missions name contain the letter E? Then mission name minus len substitute mission name. Substitute is case sensitive or case insensitive? That's a question. That's a good question. Substitute. Not written here. E substitute case sensitive. And then larger than 0. And then, or no, larger than 0, not 72. Return a mission name with the highest budget in the entire dataset. Max look up mission name budget. Oh guys, it was a long. Here we go. Rover mission center Mars. Some FS. Payload. Destination. Mars. Type. What's it called? Mission type. It's rover. Return the agency with the third longest duration in days. Large look up duration in days. Return array agency 3. 10 questions here. What is the average budget for crew all orbiters? Spain, France, crude or orbital. Orbital and crew larger than 0. Okay. Rows. Budget. Round. Rows filter budget. And then country equals Spain. Or country equals France. Or mission type equals orbital plus crew size larger than 0. Average, not rows. Oh, that's a lot of money. Great. Okay, not so great that it's not right. Crude. There is no type for crude. Ah, there is for crude. Okay, so crew size is not the deciding factor. Yeah. Well, the answer is the same. Spain, France. Maybe it's written differently. France, Spain. No, here we go. Spain, France, orbital or crude. Orbital, crude. Interesting. Are there even that many average? Yeah. Launched agencies in France or Spain. Interesting. Country is given. This is not important. There's nothing else given. What first time that I have to go to the answers? 4, 5, 7, 7. I cannot get to 4, 5, 7, 7. Country is given, mission type is given. Average budget for crude or orbital missions launched by agencies in France or Spain. And then it's round average no idea. Let's check. Yes, doesn't matter for me. So we are either in France or Spain, and then there are not that many. This is crude, this is crude, this is crude, yeah. And then mission type, orbital or crude. And then your budget is 4, 5, 7, 7. Huh. Interesting. Interesting why this has not worked. So here it has worked with. Countries either France or Spain. These are then different ones. Too many sheets. And here are 12. Wait, why? Is there... Why? Is it not the whole thing? No, it's country. It's either France or Spain. And it should work. Here are 10. There are 12. Okay, let's filter for the mission name. Interesting. 10. Curiosity. It's wrong. What is with ARC2C? What is with this? Why is it filtered out? Huh? Was this an issue with the interesting? Do I have multiple countries in there? Because might be. Yeah. Fuck. That was the issue. You have multiple countries in there, and then of course you're using multiple times the name. Mission type equals and mission type equals. Here we go, and then at least one mission that ended in failure. So group by country, but take the country from here to not. And here filter for failure. 8. Successful mission with the smallest budget. Filter mission name if how is it called? Outcome is equals success. Filter mission name budget min lookup. Destination. Oh, sorry. XLOOKUP name destination mission name and then returning this here. How many missions have a duration above the average overall duration and the risk level? Average duration in days. Let's take days. Rows, filter, duration. Risk level larger than 7. How many unique launch figures were used for missions to Jupiter or Saturn? Rows, unique, filter, launch vehicle, destination equals Jupiter, or destination equals Saturn. Sorry. 11. Return the mission name with the highest budget mission among those who ended in failure. Group by mission name. Budget. Max. Doesn't matter. Some would be also nice because we filtered by name or group by name, and failure, and sort order -2, and then it's pace observer. What is the absolute difference between the average budget of successful and average budget of around if S budget outcome success failure around ABS few million. How many probe or rover missions launched after 25? Had the outcome partial success. Probe, rover. Probe, rover, yes. 1.1, 26. Rows, filter, budget, mission type, is probe, or mission type equals rover multiplied with outcome equals partial success multiplied with date. Let's take it from here. Launch date larger or equal than this. Calc error. Great. Is there partial success? Launch date. Oh, here we go. One. How many missions have a budget above the 75% percentile? Percentile. Ink or not ink? Anyways, okay, rows, filter, budget larger than this, 25. Return the agency of the crewed mission with the longest duration. Next, look up. Oh no. Filter. Name or mission name. Crew size larger than 0. And then xlookup max of xlookup of the name in mission name, returning duration in Duration, returning agency. Yeah. 12:50, over 2 hours. Not much fun. But yeah, it's a different case. And yeah, it is what it is. And I thought that I made a really, really, really bad strategic choice when starting with the hardest level that does not give more points. But anyways, that's my fault. So no blame on anyone. Yeah. See you next time. Bye.